Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Assar school system. Today we will learn about the consonant letter. We know that there are 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonant. Today we will learn the first consonant letter B. Now we learned how to make a sound B. B. The sound of letter B is an explosive sound made by puffing the air. Puffing the air in the mouth. The stored by it is lip. A microsecond. It releases with a bit force, like b b b b b b b act bat b act bat b bun b bun b g back back b d bat bat b bus bus b t bit b bit b at bat bat b g bug bug b at bat bat b o box b o box o box b at bam